to Lalas World. Today's video is how to rename your Facebook page. First, make sure you're on the page that you want to change the name of. Next, click the three dots to the top right. Once there, go to Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Page Setup. From there, click Name. In the little box, click the name that you want to change it to. You can't change it until 60 days later, so be sure that you type it right, you have what you want, and then click the change, and then it'll take about 3 days to review. Because again, you cannot change it until 60 days later, so be sure it's right, because you'll be unable to make additional requests after that's approved. So make sure it is right. And then once you do that and submit it, and your name gets changed, there you go. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.